I love wiring up my own projects, whether it's lights or turnouts or whatever. But that's not for everyone. Now, many of you know about the Woodland Scenics Just Plug system. Well, now they've got a pretty good competitor. Today, I'm introducing you to a company called Dioramo and their recently launched Dioramo lighting system. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some great value coffee, Walmart brand coffee. So if you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it listed just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below. And who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. One really cool thing about Dioramo, and this might make me a little biased, but they're a small business right here in North Carolina where I am. They specialize in lighting for models and dioramas, and their system is pretty impressive. Let's take a look. They sent over this kit to take a look at. Dioramo offers a starter kit starting at about 50 to 60 bucks, and this one is their pro set that runs between 80 and $120 depending on if they're having a sale. It includes a power supply, push button, powered hub, expansion cable, dimmer, and 10 pre-wired LEDs. They connect with JST connectors, which look a lot like the plugs from the Woodland Scenic system, so I wonder if there's some cross-compatibility there. One thing I really love is the fact that the hub has plugs for 10 lights. That's way more than the just plugs 4. There's also a plug for a switch controller and an expansion plug so that you can run power to another hub. Now for the lights, they come with those JST connectors, just like I said. Dioramo offers lights on their website with and without that JST connection, and this is also a fairly standard connector that you can find in places if you need to customize something as well. The lights that they have included in the Pro Kit include several different variants of sticky LED lights. They've got a little bit of sticky adhesive on the back. They've also got some of these tiny LEDs and some of the more standard LEDs. They have tons of options on their website that I have linked in the description below as well. Another cool item they have is this dimmer hub. It's a little bit more expensive than the standard hub, but you can hook up to 10 lights to it as well and attach a push button to control it. Dioramo has so many options for LEDs and cool add-on features including inline power switches, splitters, pre-wired switches, and buttons with light plugs so that you can plug a light directly into a button or switch. Plus, each of the hubs comes with this cool little JST removal hook, which makes life a lot easier. You can see here that by using the expansion cable, I can hook the two hubs together. That way I can just have one power supply on two hubs. This is great if you're doing modules and you don't want to have power supplies connecting to every module. So if you got T-Track, you can just have one module plugged in and then just do expansion cables to the rest of them. You can also connect a button or a switch to each hub so that the switch only controls one hub. I'm sold on this. This is great. This kit is super cool, and I'm definitely going to be buying more stuff from them in the future. I think this is perfect for a lot of applications. It's a great way to have small lighting hubs for modules, and the pre-wired buttons that they have are threaded so that they can be easily attached to fascia. There are a load of customization options, including light colors and all these different things. And I'm pretty sure that they can connect to Woodland Scenics Just Plug. Don't quote me on that because I have to try it. And if that is true, that will be huge. But even if they can't perfectly do that, they have these adapter kits, and you could always splice some wires if you want to use some of the Just Plug light fixtures and that kind of stuff. Bottom line, I love this lighting system. It's affordable, expandable, and has a lot of options for customization. Plus, it's a small business right here in North Carolina. If you want to check them out, I've linked their website in the description below. They offer a lot more than just lighting kits. They have a ton of parts for modeling lighting. You will see this again on my layout, probably integrated into the industry module I recently completed. Who knows? Now, before we go, I do want you to check out some of these other model railroad businesses.
Trains in the Valley. Trains in the Valley is a model train shop located in Pennsylvania. They sell new and used model trains with a mission to make trains accessible to everyone. You can check them out at trainsinthevalley.com, link in the description. Penguin 3D Workshop offers 3D prints and electronics for model railroading, specializing in hard or impossible to find train parts, and they also offer custom designing and printing.
So there you go. Dioramo gets 2 thumbs up from me. I absolutely love this. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.